Most children grow up talking to or listen to peers around them, and through this primary socialization, they learn how to navigate in the world around them. What if this primary conversation is replaced with chatbot or AI? AI companions are becoming increasingly common. Mostly students, they ask questions, seek advice, and some just talk to them. Why? The answer is very easy. Because AI, the chatbot, it will not judge, it does not interrupt, and the response will be very soft and polite. So anyone who's responding without any judgment is soft and polite. One feels emotionally connected and emotionally safe. However, there is a challenge which AI cannot provide, and that is genuine emotional growth. Children do not learn resilience, emotional maturity by having perfect conversations like they have it with the chatbot or with the AI. They grow emotionally strong by navigating through imperfect relationships, through imperfect conversations. Like they learned to develop patience by waiting for their turn. They learn empathy by sharing. They learn how to resolve, if there's a conflict, the conflict is resolved through disagreement, but that disagreement is through respect. They learn how to make up after any misunderstanding. They learn how to be emotionally mature by apologizing, by forgiving. So these are all the things which are learned through experience. A machine or a robot cannot teach you all this. Now, it is really important when children, they are growing up, they should be emotionally strong, and they will be emotionally strong when we keep them away from that kind of emotional connection and that kind of emotional support which they can get from the chatbot. So now, if a child prefer AI over family, over class fellows, over real friends, then we need to ask why. Is he emotionally struggling? Is he feeling emotionally alone? Is he being bullied? So we need to ask these questions, because AI can superficially answer his queries and questions and can provide emotional support and answers to his questions, but the real problem would stay there, and that can be solved either by a mother, by a father, or a friend. And now we need to understand that AI companions are designed to keep the users engaged, and they're usually designed to keep them engaged for longer hours without any healthy emotional development. So we as parents, we need to understand that there's a difference between engagement and well-being of a child. So I'm not trying to say that AI is not important. It has a very important role in the modern world. What I'm trying to say that AI is not a substitute for real friendship, family conversation, or real human connection. Let's not replace it with that.